Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting your phone ready, update iOS, and install YouTube Music so the app is available to shortcuts. Once done, make sure Siri is enabled because you'll use a shortcut as the workaround for a default music action. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. This is the first actionable step. You're not changing system defaults here, you're building a Siri-triggered routine that sends music requests to YouTube Music. Now construct the shortcut, add an open app action and select YouTube Music so every run launches that app. Next, if you want playback immediately, attach a play action or a URL scheme that points to a playlist or track. This makes the shortcut do both open and play. Name the shortcut something simple like Play Music so Siri can map to it naturally. Make sure the sequence is ordered. Open first, then play. This avoids race conditions, where play fails if the app isn't foregrounded. Finish by tapping the shortcut settings and choose Add to Siri. Record a concise phrase such as Play My Music so you can speak it naturally. You can also add the shortcut to your home screen or create automations for CarPlay or when headphones connect, making YouTube Music behave like your default in practice. If things go wrong, re-record the Siri phrase, verify YouTube Music has needed permissions, and restart the phone. This usually clears permission or background launch hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.